Yo, what's up everyone? Slay Buddha over here. I don't really have much to say. Let's just get straight into the video. Oh, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not trying to tell you what to do with your money. Don't be stupid. Alright? Don't be a dumb fuck. Alright, let's get to the video. So I'm gonna break down the GU trade I took yesterday. Okay, let me actually show the proof. Cause you know you always got to show the proof. So it was a GU buy. A lot of people actually took the trade. So many people. Alright, so I sent the setup actually to my journal. From the 1 hour order block, I saw liquidity, and the arrow indicates that I was going to take buys from here. And this was the entry I took. This is where I took my profit at 5R. And this is the screenshot proof right over here. Okay, and yeah, so let's get into the video. Let's get into the breakdown. Why did I take this trade? What was I seeing? So like I've said in all the other videos from the weekly time frame, you know, we came from the weekly order block. I don't really want to go through everything all over again, but if you remember, I said I was looking for buys from this daily order block over here. I wanted to take buys from here. This is the POI for buys basically. So that's where we reacted from over here last week. Let's go down to the 4 hour time frame. Actually, let's just go straight to the 1 hour. So we came off the daily order block from here, and we broke 1 hour structure to the upside right here. So this is the BMS to the upside, right? And we actually, I think we took out the liquidity from here too. So we have the stop hunt, we have the BMS. Now I'm looking for the RTO. So you know, I'm here looking at which order block I want to choose, and the first thing I actually saw were these perfectly equal lows. I saw these equal lows and I knew that they were gonna get blasted through. I mean, they were perfectly equal lows. Just look at how sexy those lows were. So I saw this 1 hour order block right there, and I knew this was the POI I wanted to take for my buys. And I wanted to take these buys maybe up until this order block actually. But yeah, I was thinking maybe I'll look for sells from here, and I'll take the buys from here, right? So let's see what happened. So I actually wanted to take sells to my buys, so I was looking for how I can enter sells, and we came off of this 1 hour order block over here that broke the structure over here, right? So I was looking for an entry there. If we go down to the 1 minute time frame, we got into my zone, we broke this structure. I wanted us to pull back into like the order block up here. That never happened. And then do you know what I did? I fucking passed out. I just came back from the gym, right? And I was just observing price to look for sells. And I told myself, okay, I'm gonna take a 30-minute nap, and I slept for like 2 hours. I slept for 2 fucking hours. If not, I would have definitely taken a sell from this order block over here. But yeah, I missed the sell to my buys. Whatever, that was just gonna be a little scalp anyway before it came to my main trade for the day. So let's go down to the 1 minute and let's see what happened when price got into my zone. Let's just, yeah, okay, so price is in my zone, and you know, I was just observing. I actually wasn't awake at this point in time. I think I woke up, yeah, this is when I woke up. Like, I saw the screen around here, and you know, we broke the structure here, but honestly, I wanted to enter the trade at 9. I didn't want to enter at 8:57. I wanted to see what the hour candle would do, because you know, I could have just entered off here from the BMS. So I don't know why, maybe because I just woke up, but I just decided to wait. And then what happened, we ended up taking liquidity from here. So this was the actual stop hunt over here. So now after the stop hunt, what do? You wait for the BMS and the RTO. So here we have the break in market structure right here. BMS. I was lucky I didn't take this entry. I have this like unwritten rule where I can't take a trade if I just get on the charts. Like, so you know how you get on the charts and you see, like, you're like, oh, I can just enter right now, this is a good trade. And that's happened to me so many times, and I get stopped out because I don't like take my time to do proper analysis before I enter a trade. So that's why I didn't take this buy, because I knew that, okay, I need to wait and do like proper analysis, and I just woke up as well, so it's kind of sleepy still. But anyway, So we had that BMS, and I was just looking for the RTO. This is my first. Interesting. This is my first POI. I swear to God there was no wick on this 1 minute order block. Anyway, this is my first POI for buys. However, I wasn't really sure if the price was going to retrace this steep immediately. So I was just waiting, you know, observing price. What I thought is that we were going to raid. I thought we were going to raid this low into this order block, and I can take my buys from here. So I was just observing price to see what it does. We came down, and then the way this candle closed, I didn't really like it. Usually I would just take a buy from here, but this didn't look like a raid to me. Honestly, it just didn't look like we were raiding this low, so I didn't really trust taking a buy from this order block here. So I was just waiting and observing price. It looked more like a break-in structure than a raid, right? If you look here, this does not look like a raid. You know, I went to the different time frames, and it looked like a BMS. So yeah, I didn't bother taking my buys from there. I was still waiting for this buy to happen, and then what happened? We came down to my POI. Now I swear to God there was no wick on this order block yesterday. It didn't have a wick, and I don't really like entering off OBs that don't have wicks, because sometimes I find that price doesn't retrace to that order block when it's usually the extreme and it has no wick. I don't know why it has a wick now. This is like fucking jazz. So anyway, I just entered off of the white candle instead, next to the order block. I entered off the gap, I believe. So yeah, it was around 4 pips, and it was like 3.7 actually. So let me just find that over there. It was about 3.7 pips, I'm pretty sure. This is so strange. I swear there was no wick there. But anyway, I entered around there. I took profits, or my TP, I set it to this structure here, which you can also see like a bunch of like equal highs, you could say. So that was my first TP. I almost always take my profit at 5R anyway. So what happens? Price gets into the zone and it hits my take profit. Beautiful. So that was a trade. I mean, yeah, it wasn't really much to it. If I took an entry from here, that would have been a -1R, but I didn't. So based off my rules, because this is also a BMS, and you could say this is a stop hunt, but I just didn't enter the trade. I actually wanted I wanted us to take out this high right here. I wanted us to take out this high as well into this 5-minute order block. But yeah, what happened instead? After taking our liquidity from this high, we just tanked all the way down. That's why it's very important that you take your partials. I have my set rules for my partials. You should have your own way of managing your trades, so that you won't be crying when this happens to you. Anyway, that's it for this video. This video was fucking short. I don't really have much to say. I'm still stalking buys on GU actually, maybe around this 4-hour OB, because I think I spotted some equal lows, some sexy equal lows. GU just likes to tease. GU's such a tease. Where's the equal lows? 1 second, y'all. Wait, what the fuck? I swear there were equal lows. Oh yeah, right here. Is it here? Yes, right here. Sexy equal lows. So maybe we might come down somewhere here to look for buys. I also have a POI for myself, but we'll see how that goes. Where is it? Alright, so that's the end of the video. Remember to keep it simple. I got some people in the comments telling me to make a video about like how to pick order blocks, or how to find liquidity or shit like that. I'm not gonna do that, because these videos I'm only gonna break down my trades. If you want to know how to do all that shit, you have to like pay me for my calls, and I can tell you how to do all that shit and teach it to you. But I can't just give everything away in these videos. I have to have something special for my one-to-one sessions, obviously, because those people are paying to learn knowledge, because they value my fucking time. Shout out to all of you. Yeah, so keep it simple, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.